The wind wasn't making this easy. These beautiful Burnett moths had picked a very windy blade of grass, which made photographing them almost impossible. So I gently steadied the grass. And suddenly all this incredible detail started to appear. Turns out these moths weren't camera shy after all, they just needed to stop dancing. It just goes to show that a little patience and a little stability can make all the difference. The shimmering scales, the tiny hairs and those beautiful blue antennae were finally sharp enough to appreciate. I'm in the middle of making a video showing how I photograph macro subjects on windy days. So look out for that video coming soon.